guys, welcome to Family Create. So today I've basically got a electric skillet pan that I've been waiting for a while now. It's finally come in stock and I've just purchased it from Amazon. One of the main reasons why I got this one is because it's extra large capacity, which is, I think, if I remember, it's 30 by 38 centimeter, and it's 2200 watts, and it has adjustable thermostat to up to I think 5 settings, and it's integrated heating elements, so even heat distribution, and it's dishwasher safe and also non-stick, and you can pretty much cook anything in it. The actual surface, cooking surface, is 30 by 38 centimeter, which is quite a large pan. The inner height of it is 8 centimeters and the voltage is 230. The cable is detachable and it's cast iron, and it's got a lid as well, so I think that's very helpful. It's got the power on indicator light as well and cool touch knob to hold. So let's unpack and have a look. So it comes with the power lid. It's aside. Heavy. This is the lid. Okay, looks good. Let's take this one. And we have the instruction manual here. Actually looks very nice, and it's 4 mm thick. Feels heavy. The knobs on the side handles, it's meant to be cool touch, but I'm not so sure because it feels like it may get hot because it feels metal. So at the back here we can see the heating element. Also, as you can see here, there are rubber attachments at the bottom of the legs to keep the pan from slipping. And then we have the actual power information here, and it's from Netherlands, made in China. This feels quite sharp here actually. Power inlet here. the lid on. So the lid's fitted well. I know there was some review, one or two review about complaints about the lid not fitting well, so this one seems to have fitted well. Yep, I think the lid's fitted pretty well. So that's the unpacking. The purpose of buying this is for cooking up something all in one really, and quick as possible. So I'm going to try this out, and whatever I cook first I'll share with you guys as well. So I've set the pan up, I've plugged it in, but I haven't turned it on yet. What I've done is put some foil underneath just because it's my first time, as I'm not sure how hot it can get. So hopefully this will protect the worktop a little. So it's come on now. I'll leave it at that. And then wait for it to heat up a little, and then I'll put the chicken in. So I've put foil on top of the lid just because I don't want the heat to escape, so the intensity of the heat stays within. And I've put it on 190. Yep, let's see how that goes. And it's 8 o'clock. So the heat intensity underneath is there, but it's not so hot. So even if I didn't put the foil, I don't think it'll damage the worktop, but it will heat it up. So if you're going to use it over time, it probably will leave some sort of mark. So I would always use some sort of protection. So I think for future I'll probably get something a bit more thicker to put under there. The chicken is at least 70% done. I'm going to add the rice to the dish. I've added the rice. Just going to mix everything in. So I'm going to add the water now. And the water, I'm just going to level it up. This is going to be a one-pot dish, just because, especially when I go on self-catering, I prefer to just do one pot dish. Is easier and less work and washing up. And, cover it up and leave it for until the rice is cooked, I guess. To 170. Yep. So looking at it, I don't think I'm going to need any more water actually. I thought I may, but looks like the rice is almost there. So I'll just leave it covered for another 10 minutes or so, and it should be all done. My dish is cooked.
I'm going to serve it up now. Just to let you know, the handle is completely cool. It hasn't heated up at all, both sides. Thermostat not heated up at all, not heated up at all. The only source of heat I can feel is when I put my hand underneath there, but not so much. I can actually put my hand there, not get hurt, but I can feel the slight intensity of the heat there. Other than that, it's good. I'm really impressed. So that's all for today, guys. I want to quickly show you that I've cleaned the pan out after last night's use, and it's very easy to clean. As you can see, it looks brand new again. Just liquid and water really, and a very soft sponge just to clean it out. It's also dishwasher safe, too easy to clean and quick, so no problem. And just want to say, all opinion expressed in this video are of my own, and I'm not getting paid to do a review or promote this product. If you are interested, I will leave the link in the description box, and if you do purchase through this link, I will get a small commission, but it will not cost you anything. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like. Comment down below with any questions, and please support us by subscribing. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.